Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's that time to open up our Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. And yes, it's for the month of September. So I'm actually early getting this out to you guys. So I just want to go ahead and let you see what we received inside of this month's Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. It is a monthly subscription, and each box you will get a t-shirt every month, and it's an inspiring t-shirt that's catered just for us, and different items, like it could be jewelry, it could be just about anything that's inspiring to us to keep us encouraged. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Girl You Foxy. So Lord, let's go ahead and jump right in.